How to unsave pins on Pinterest app. So if you want to unsave pins on Pinterest app, then first of all, open up your Pinterest application. And after opening your Pinterest, you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner. And here you will have two options under your profile: created and then saved. You can simply go to the saved section, and under the saved you can go to all pins, and here you will have the saved pins. So if you want to unsave it, then you can simply tap on any one of the pin that you want to unsave. And so if you want to unsave this particular pin, then you can go to the upper right corner, which has the three dots icon, and then you can go to edit pin. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now if you want to unsave the pin, then you can simply tap on delete this pin. Simply tap on delete, and that's it. That's how you unsave pin on Pinterest application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.